Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0141 indicates a malfunction in the heater circuit of the secondary heated oxygen sensor, commonly referred to as the secondary HO2S or sensor 2. This sensor is crucial for monitoring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases after the catalytic converter. Its location is typically downstream of the converter in Honda Civic models. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is responsible for interpreting the signals from this sensor to optimize the engine's fuel mixture for better efficiency and emissions control. If the heater current for the secondary HO2S falls outside a predefined range, the PCM recognizes this abnormality and stores the diagnostic trouble code. Addressing this issue promptly is essential for maintaining the vehicle's performance and regulatory compliance. The DTC P0141 signifies a malfunction in the heater circuit of the secondary heated oxygen sensor, also known as sensor 2. This sensor plays a vital role by providing feedback to the vehicle's engine management system regarding the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. Located downstream of the catalytic converter, the secondary HO2S aids in ensuring that the combustion process is efficient and in compliance with emission standards. When the PCM detects an abnormal current in the heater circuit of this sensor, it triggers the code P0141. This malfunction can lead to poor fuel economy and increased emissions if not addressed. Hence, it is critical to verify the functionality of this sensor and its associated circuits to maintain optimal vehicle operation. When diagnosing the cause of DTC P0141, several potential issues must be considered. Firstly, the primary suspect is a faulty secondary heated oxygen sensor, which may fail due to internal damage or wear over time. Additionally, an open circuit in the wiring that connects the sensor to the PCM can result in a disconnect, leading to the heater malfunction. Lastly, if both the sensor and wiring appear normal, a malfunction within the powertrain control module must be suspected. Each of these potential causes will require thorough testing and examination to pinpoint the exact problem and ensure effective repairs are performed. The symptoms associated with DTC P0141 can be quite telling. One prominent indicator is the illumination of the check engine light, which serves as an alert for the driver that an issue has been detected within the vehicle's systems. Additionally, drivers may notice a decline in fuel economy due to inefficient fuel combustion, resulting from the incorrect data being relayed by the faulty secondary HO2S. Moreover, an increase in vehicle emissions may occur, which is contrary to environmental regulations and can lead to failures during emissions testing. Awareness of these symptoms is critical for timely diagnosis and remediation of the underlying issue. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P0141 involves starting the engine and allowing it to idle. This ensures the vehicle systems are active and ready for testing. During this idle state, the next crucial action is to check the secondary heated oxygen sensor's condition. This involves verifying connections and ensuring that the sensor is correctly positioned and not dislodged. By establishing a clear baseline of how the systems respond when activated, any irregularities in operation or readings can be more accurately diagnosed in subsequent steps. Proper execution of this step sets the stage for effective troubleshooting in following procedures. In the second step of troubleshooting DTC P0141, detailed inspection of the secondary heated oxygen sensor circuit is performed. This requires examining the integrity of the wiring and connectors associated with the sensor, particularly the 4P connector. The resistance values should be measured, ensuring they fall within the specified range of about 4.2 to 6.6 ohms at room temperature. This ensures that the internal components of the sensor are functioning properly. If any abnormalities are found during this inspection, such as open circuits or improper resistance, these issues must be addressed immediately to avoid erroneous readings from the sensor. It is crucial to ensure all wiring is secure and free from damage for the effective operation of the oxygen sensor. The third step focuses on inspecting the IG1 power supply line, which is vital for the operation of the secondary heated oxygen sensor. This inspection is performed with the vehicle in the IG mode to confirm that the sensor receives the appropriate voltage, which should be consistently around 12 volts. Additionally, the SO2HT circuit, responsible for the heating element in the sensor, must be scrutinized for any signs of open or shorted wiring. It is essential to ensure there is less than 1 ohm of resistance in this circuit when turned off, indicating a complete and unobstructed pathway for electrical current. Any issues flagged in this step warrant immediate attention, as they could lead to decreased sensor performance or malfunction. If all preceding inspection steps return normal results, the next step is to inspect the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM. This step involves examining the PCM for potential faults that could yield the DTC P0141 error code. The PCM is integral to functioning as it interprets signals from various sensors, including the secondary HO2S. If the PCM fails to interpret these signals accurately, it can mistakenly trigger DTCs, even if the associated components are working properly. This could include wiring within the PCM or software glitches. Therefore, verifying the operational status of the PCM is essential to ensure all components are communicating effectively in the vehicle's network. After repairs have been performed, it is necessary to conduct a final verification step to ensure that the DTC P0141 has been addressed adequately. This begins by clearing the diagnostic trouble codes from the PCM, which resets the warning indicators and allows for a clean operating slate. Following this procedure, a test drive of the vehicle is essential. During this drive, the vehicle should be observed under various operating conditions to ensure that the sails have returned to normal. If the check engine light remains off and no new codes appear, this indicates a successful resolution of the issue. Continuous monitoring post-repair ensures the long-term viability of the solution and the overall health of the vehicle. To mitigate the recurrence of issues indicated by DTC P0141, regular preventive maintenance is imperative. This includes routine inspections of the oxygen sensors, particularly the secondary heated oxygen sensor, to ensure they are functioning within their specified parameters. Additionally, monitoring the performance of the exhaust system can help identify potential leaks or inefficiencies that may influence sensor readings and overall engine performance. Keeping an eye on associated wiring and connections can also preemptively catch issues before they escalate into more serious faults. Implementing diagnostic scans periodically can serve as an effective measure to catch errors and optimize the functionality of the vehicle. Conclusion on DTC P0141. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.